हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आय एम मुकुंदा माळी। आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 10वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकमधील लेसन नंबर 3.4 लेट्स मार्च या लेसनचे वॉर्मिंग अप, चिटचॅट व मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स अभ्यासणार आहोत। त्यासाठी मित्रांनो हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्कीच बघा। वेलकम बॅक। वॉर्मिंग अप, चिटचॅट, डिस्कस इन युअर ग्रुप। मित्रांनो, आपल्या पुस्तकामध्ये आपल्याला या प्रकारची इमेज दिलेली आहे। या इमेजबद्दल आपल्याला डिस्कस करायचे आहे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हॉट डिफरन्स डू यू नोटिस इन द टू इमेजेस? या दोन्ही चित्रांमध्ये कोणता फरक जाणवतो? आन्सर, द बॉय इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज वर्किंग and the boy in the second picture is going to school on his bicycle. Next question, which of the two situations should change? दोन परिस्थितींपैकी कोणती परिस्थिती बदलली पाहिजे? आन्सर, the situation in the first picture should change. Next question, how and when can the situation change? ती परिस्थिती केव्हा आणि कशी बदलेल? आन्सर, the situation will change only when each and every child starts going to school. There should not be a need for the child to work and earn money. Next question, how can you as a student contribute and help make a difference to the needy children? एक विद्यार्थी म्हणून तुम्ही गरजू मुलांमध्ये बदल घडवण्यासाठी कशा प्रकारे योगदान द्याल आणि मदत कराल? Answer, as a student I can give some of my clothes, books, toys to the needy children and share food with them so that they don't have to work to fulfill these needs. Question number 1A, a good well organized speech contains the following characteristics and steps. एका चांगल्या स्पीचची वैशिष्ट्ये या ठिकाणी आपल्याला दिलेली आहेत व काही स्टेप्स आपल्याला दिलेले आहेत। A speech should be well planned. The language used should be suitable to the audience. It should have the right duration. It should be supported with good examples, episodes or visual ads where possible. Read the expressions given below and insert them in your notebook in the proper boxes as shown below. या प्रश्नामध्ये आपल्याला काही वाक्ये दिलेली आहेत। हे वाक्य स्पीचमधील कोणत्या भागात येतील ते आपल्याला खालील बॉक्समध्ये लिहायचे आहे। 4 प्रकारचे बॉक्स आहेत: ग्रीटिंग, सॅल्युटेशन, अभिवादन, इंट्रोडक्शन, ओळख, माहिती, बॉडी ऑफ द स्पीच, स्पीचचा महत्त्वाचा भाग, कन्क्ल्यूजन, समारोप। या 4 भागांपैकी दिलेले वाक्य कोणत्या भागात येतील ते आपल्याला सांगायचे आहे। A, imagine what will happen after 10 years. Introduction. B, I would like to share with you an example from my own experience. Body of the speech. C, honorable chief guest, eminent dignitaries, respected management and staff, student, friends, greeting or salutation. D, the research report says that. Body of the speech. E, I don't understand why we are so negative about this issue. Body of the speech. F, think again and then move forward. Conclusion. G, today I would like to put forth my views on. Introduction. H, the renowned personality XYZ says. Body of the speech. I, good morning one and all present today. Greeting or salutation. J, I would like to express my gratitude towards the organizers of this function for giving me opportunity. Conclusion. K, if we think about the situation around us, we notice that. Introduction. L, let me explain this to you. Introduction. Margin questions. Question number 1. What does the speaker feel honored to recite? Answer. The speaker feels honored to recite a mantra from the ancient text of wisdom, that is Vedas. Next question. How does the speaker describe his journey from India to Norway? Answer. He describes his journey from India to Norway as a connect between the two centers of global peace and brotherhood, ancient and modern. Next question. What terrible thing was the Sudanese child forced to do? Answer. The Sudanese child was forced to kill his friends and family. Next question. What does Satyarthi refuse to accept? Answer. Satyarthi refused to accept that the world is very poor because he claims that just 1 week's global military expenditure is enough to bring all the children to the classroom. Next question. What is the only aim in life for Kailash Satyarthi? Answer. Kailash Satyarthi's only aim in life is to ensure that every child is free to be a child, to grow and develop, to eat, sleep, laugh, cry, play, learn, to go to school and to dream. Next question. What are the signs of progress that the speaker mentions? Answer. The number of out of school children is reduced by half. The number of child labors is reduced by 1/3. We have reduced child mortality and malnutrition. We have prevented millions of child deaths in the last couple of decades. These are the signs of progress that the speaker mentions. Next question. What social role are the three daughters playing? Answer. The three daughters, namely Malala, Kainat and Shazia, are rising up and choosing peace over violence, tolerance over extremism and courage over fear. Next question. What lesson does the story of the lion and the tiny bird teach us? Answer. The story of the lion and the tiny bird teaches us that no matter how small our contribution, but we must keep doing our bit. Next question. What did millions of individuals demand 18 years ago? Answer. 18 years ago, millions of individuals demanded a new international law for the abolition of the worst forms of child labor. Next question. What problems do the poor children face? Answer. Poor children are forced to work for their living. They often do not get enough food to eat and die of malnutrition. If they do not have parents, they become orphan. They do not get education. They are often neglected and exploited. Next question. Why does the 8-year-old girl's question shake Mr. Satyarthi? Answer. The 8-year-old girl's question shake Mr. Satyarthi because he had no answer, no convincing explanation to give the girl. Next question. What matters according to Satyarthi? Answer. According to Satyarthi, every single minute, every single child and every single childhood matters. Next question. What does Satyarthi challenge? Answer. Satyarthi challenges the passivity, the pessimism surrounding the children, this culture of silence and neutrality. Next question. What was Mr. Satyarthi's vision as a child? Answer. When Mr. Satyarthi was a child, he used to see a cobbler boy of his own age sitting outside the school. When he asked his teachers why he was not sitting in the classroom, they had no answer. The boy's father answered that they were born to work. Mr. Satyarthi's vision as a child was to see the cobbler boy sitting with him in his classroom. Next question. What was the response of the boy's father? What was Satyarthi's reaction to it? Answer. The boy's father explained that they were born to work. This made Satyarthi feel angry. Next question. What is your vision of tomorrow? Answer. In my vision of the future, every child who is born should be entitled to education. Next question. What rights should every child have in our times? Answer. In our times, every child should have a right to life, right to freedom, right to health, right to education, right to safety, right to dignity, right to equality, and right to peace. Next question. What does Mr. Satyarthi request the listeners to do? Answer. Mr. Satyarthi requests the listeners to Answer. Mr. Satyarthi requests the listeners to put their hand close to their heart, close their eyes and feel the child inside them. Last question. According to Mr. Satyarthi, who are calling for us? Answer. According to Mr. Satyarthi, thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, Nelson Mandelas and Martin Luther Kings are calling for us. I hope friends तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत या व्हिडिओला शेअर करा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.